Have you ever bought a mobile phone on Amazon.in? So how do you buy? You compare the features and then you make a decision. Okay, this is the right mobile for me. But something amazing happens in the middle of this, even though you don't realize. You end up remembering every feature of all the phones you compared. Have you realized that? Now this happened to me in the real world. And today I'm going to tell you an amazing story, an amazing learning experience which we had at Biotecnika. So let's get started. So the story which I wanted to tell you today goes like this. We all were sitting in Biotecnika headquarters, I think a year ago, and one of my colleagues asked me which phone I should buy. And all the expert members jumped in and they started giving their expert opinion. I was amazed. So to make things simpler, we opened Amazon and started looking for phone recommendations. We'll start looking for phone within that budget. Now, at the bottom of every mobile phone description, Amazon has this amazing table where all the features of all the phones are compared. So using that table, we concluded and bought the best mobile for him. Now, let me tell you what happened a week after this incident. Now, another colleague of me, a very dear friend, walked in and asked the same question. And this time I remembered every phone, every feature of every phone, and I could guide him without even opening Amazon. He was pretty impressed, I must say. But that's when I realized tables are an excellent study tool. So I jumped out of my chamber, reached out to all the experts who do research on educational tools for Biotecnika, and I asked if we can have this kind of a thing, this kind of a tool for our students. Now that was a year ago. Fast forward today. I want to introduce to you one amazing study tool, which is the outcome of this story. It's the result of months and months of research and experimentation. And it is an amazing outcome of planning and efforts put in by the innovators at the Education Lab of Biotecnika for every CSIR NET aspirants. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we proudly announce the launch of another feature-rich study tool for CSIR NET exam, the Concept Table. Now, Concept Table is the new tool. It's a book which comprises of most important concepts, most important topics from the CSIR NET point of view. And this is a colorful book which consists of 300 plus tables from all the 13 units of CSIR NET syllabus in life sciences. Now you might wonder, why study from Concept Table instead of standard notes? Of course, you can just open a book and study from standard books or notes. Now let me tell you 4 advantages of studying from a concept table. The number 1 is quick conceptual grasping due to comparison, like how it happened to me. Second is simplification of information in a tabular view, so you can easily remember. Number 3, improved analytical power. When you compare, you analyze, and then your power improves. And the cross-referencing of concepts in between the columns helps you remember better. Now, let me give you one very simple example. Suppose you are studying prokaryotic and eukaryotic replication. Don't you study? Yes, you study. You have been studying since ages now. The reason I'm giving this example, I'll tell you at the end. Now you have all the important points of eukaryotic and prokaryotic compared in a table-like format. The site of replication, the enzymes involved, which phase of the cell cycle it is occurring, all these points listed in a tabular format. So now you can just have a look, a bird's eye view, and compare and study the concept. When you compare and study, the chances of forgetting the concept becomes very, very less. Because when you compare, you correlate. And when you correlate, your neurons wire together. And they get programmed to fire together. Remember, I always tell you, the neurons which wire together will always fire together. So similarly, we have designed tabular notes for all the important topics of all the 13 units of CSIR NET Life Sciences syllabus. And that's what makes it a revolutionary book right in your hands. At Biotecnika, we firmly believe that no student is a bad student. It's the teacher who has to mend ways. Give any student the right tools and the right mix of motivation. He or she will achieve more than he or she can plan to achieve. That's our firm belief. We present to you this revolutionary book, this revolutionary study aid concept table that will add more value to your preparations and ease off the burden of the CSIR NET syllabus. It's an amazing tool. I have personally used it and found out to be very useful. If you wish to order today, if you want to own a copy of Concept Table, then the link is given below in the description. We will ship it to you to your address within 2 to 7 working days, depending on where you are located, and it will reach to you through express delivery. Now, along with Concept Table hard copy book, you will also receive the e-copy of the Biotecnika's study portal, which can be accessed anytime from anywhere. And of course, you will also receive unlimited support for doubt solving. Academic doubts are like poison, remember? So from all our team of experts, they will be there all the time to answer your queries. So do not delay. Order your copy of Concept Table today. Prepare smart, be extraordinary student, that student which you are destined to be. Bye-bye.